Good morning everyone, I'm Ed Lawrence Imdaunan from B-Scream 2. What are the most important o concept are listening gain from the subject? Ako masulti is study ethics helps you see that the choice of matter not just you but other people as well. One important of lesson idea doing what is right even in the difficult, not just what is say. One important lesson of the idea doing what I write even when is it difficult, not just what to say or popular. You also learn about fairness and respect, treating others the way they deserve no matter their background. Another key of concept responsibility, meaning you should think about the consequence of your actions before making decision. Overall, it takes teaching you have become a more thoughtful, honest, and accountable the person every day and life. Ethics taught me that action have consequence and we must choose what is right, enhancing fairness, respect, and responsibility. In dealing with others, learn to think before acting and consider different perspectives overall. Ethics help guide my decision and encourage me to live honestly, responsibility, and with integrity every day. There's learnings made me more careful in my decision and more aware how my action affect others and now try think before I act considering what in the fair and the right not just benefits me my respective become more open understanding different views and respecting others values in the behavior become more responsibility honest and mindful standing to act with integrity every day. I will apply this learning by making honest and fair and decision the school sucks of avoiding cheating and respect classmates I in the work I will act responsibly and the following rules of relationship. I will show respect listening to others and consider their feelings. For personal growth, I will feel reflect on my actions and improve my behavior. Overall, I will use ethics as a guide to act my integrity, make better choice and build trust and with the people around me. Other key of concept responsibility meaning you should think about the consequence of your actions before making decision. Overall ethics teaching you have become more thankful, honest, and accountable person in the everyday and life. Thank you everyone. Maroto akong nasabtan.